Howdy y'all, this is Redwolf, and I was out here shooting some of my videos on some stuff, and thought I might do a quick aside talk about gun leather. I'm pretty rough on most of my gear. I would say one of the things I am the roughest on is gun leather. I go out, do some wild stuff, and I put stuff through a lot of abuse when I do it. And right now my go-to holster for pistols is Triple K. They're fairly expensive. This model is the Lightning, and I think they're currently going somewhere between 90 and 115 bucks depending upon the model. They make them for revolvers and for autos. I am going to buy me one for an auto, but while I don't currently own one, I have handled a few. I had a couple guys come in and they liked my revolver holster, told them where I got it, they bought it, came back, showed me. I got to play with them a little bit. They work really good. I've got some black powder holsters. I've got a cross draw Slim Jim for a black powder gun. I've got a Civil War flap holster from them. I've got a Mexican double loop that I've had almost 20 years now. It's my go-to for cowboy guns. Just have one holster and switch out whichever one I've got in there. My favorite though for most modern guns and what models I have, what models that'll fit that I own, I really like their Lightning. And there's two reasons for that. One, it has a really good snap system here. It's real solid, just straight down, it comes off. I never have a hang up with them. Push down, it comes out. Really, really good design. Their stitch work is insane. This holster here is probably 6 years old. Holds up, and you know, just wear and tear. You know, I mean, this will get thrown in a bag and it'll rattle around in a bag for 6 months. Really high quality, really good grade. And the other thing about the Lightning that I like is it has a strong side and a cross draw loop. And I carry a bunch of different gear, a bunch of different ways, and depending upon what I've got today, I can have one holster and just switch it around however I like. It's really all I got to say. I don't think watching me walk around with 12 holsters on is going to do y'all much good. But if you're in the market, you want a good, high quality leather holster, and they, because this matters to some people, this is the plain. They also do them in, they do brown, black, they do basket weave, I think they line them. There are options other than just this, which is just the plain basic holster, which I prefer. But just a quick shout out for a brand, Triple K holsters, rock and roll. Till next time, this is Redwolf signing off.